Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we will explore recurring meetings. Whether it's to share vital information, showcase new products, or provide training, online meetings have become a staple in today's productive culture. Our platform provides a variety of options to make meetings more engaging, like audio only or showing your smiling face on the webcam, screen sharing, breakout rooms, public or private chats, hand raising, and many more. And we make it productive with multi-presenter, mobile access, attendee, and time tracking, with a maximum capacity of up to 10 guests, and all with no need for your contacts to download a client. They just use their web browser. You can easily connect with your team, colleagues, or clients from around the world. For those who need recurrent meetings, our platform offers the ability to create them, which is particularly useful for daily, weekly, monthly, and even yearly check-ins. In this video tutorial, we will show you step-by-step how to create a recurring meeting. You will learn how to set up your recurring meeting, invite your guests, and make use of the features that Fire Platform has to offer. Get ready to take your recurring meetings to the next level. At Fire Platform, we want to make sure that creating recurring meetings is as easy and flexible as possible. That's why we offer a range of options for creating recurring meetings depending on your workflow. You can create recurring meetings directly from the Meetings List view page, where you can view your upcoming meetings, schedule new recurring ones, and manage your existing recurring meetings all in one place. Additionally, you can create recurring meetings from the calendar page, which provides a visual overview of your schedule. You can make any meeting recurring from anywhere you create the meeting. When recurring meetings are created from another entity, like from a campaign, that recurring meeting is automatically related to that record. So you can track what recurring meetings you have had and the results for any record. So if you create a meeting from within a campaign record, that meeting is related to that campaign. This helps to keep things organized. Meetings and recurring meetings can be created from the campaign planning view if you are in the middle of planning a recurring campaign. As a general rule, from almost all pages on Fire Platform, you can create a meeting and make it recurring that will be related to the content you are currently working on. Despite the wide range of locations, the process of creating a recurring meeting remains identical everywhere, making it easy to use and efficient. In today's tutorial, we will create a recurring meeting from the Meetings List view page to demonstrate the process. Once on the Meetings List view page, which you can reach by navigating home and clicking on Meetings, simply click on the Add Meeting button, and the meeting creation process will begin. You will then be prompted to fill in the meeting details, such as the start date, time, and time spent, as well as the recurrence pattern: daily, weekly, monthly, or even yearly. You can also invite guests and send them a notification with all the relevant recurring meeting details. In order not to lengthen this video, we will only fill in the required fields, but we recommend that you fill in all the necessary fields. The more information you put in, the more you can track. Begin by adding a title. I'll call this one Mission Metrics: Tracking Success on the Marketing Frontier. Next, I want to inform my colleagues about what will be discussed in this recurring meeting, so I will describe it in the meeting's description field. This information will appear in the email invitation that will be sent to them. I will write, "Join the Mission Metrics. We will discuss performance and identify areas that require improvements." Now, I will set the date and time. For the start date, I will select tomorrow. The end date will automatically adjust accordingly. When you add recurrency, the end day will automatically readjust. I will set the start time to 9 a.m. and confirm the end time is set for the meeting duration you want. The recurrent meetings will all follow this start and end time. The time spent field will default to the length of the meeting time, but you can change this if you want to add time spent preparing for the meeting. Repeat is our focus section here, as it is what makes the difference between a simple and a recurring meeting. From here, you can select your desired recurrence pattern. This is where you customize the frequency of your meetings. You'll find 4 primary options: daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly. Depending on your needs, choose the interval that suits your recurring meeting schedule. Remember that daily meetings can include weekends, so it is ideal if you want to set up several meetings during one week and have it occur each day. But if you want each weekday for a month, it is easy to select weekly and choose the day, and you will set up a meeting each day for the duration you select. If you want to meet with a client or team each workday for a week, selecting the daily option is easy. If your team gathers every Monday, opt for weekly and specify the day, and they will extend each Monday at the same time. For monthly meetings, choose the monthly option and define the date. If you're planning annual strategy sessions, utilize the yearly option. Choose any option that fits your needs. If you choose daily, you will have the option to specify how many days apart you want the meetings to occur and lets you select the duration of the daily meetings by specifying the total number of meetings needed or selecting the end date. Select weekly, and you can choose the specific days of the week for your meetings. The same duration options of an end date or number of meetings apply to weekly meetings as for daily. If you need monthly, you can select monthly and see how easy it is to configure this as well. Now, let's move to the yearly option. As you can see, you can select any day of the week by choosing the week, first, second, third, fourth, or even last, followed by the day section where you can select your desired weekday, and of course, the month as well. The meeting duration has the same options as the others, end on a date or after a specific number of meetings. I will choose weekly and select a day from the week I want to hold the meeting until next month, and I need to specify this below. In the Assigned to field, I will choose myself as the person who will hold this recurring meeting. If I have a file, I can upload it in the Related Files field. To add guests to the recurring meeting, I will click on the Add Remove Guests, which takes me to the Select View Contacts page. I want only guests that work for my company, so I will use that as a filter. After selecting the guests I want to attend, I click Submit. Once the guests are selected, all that remains is to save the recurring meeting. A modal will pop up asking if I want to send notifications to the new guests. If yes, I will select New Guests and click Send. The platform creates a meeting on the calendar for each meeting to be held. The meetings will be displayed on the Meetings List view page and the platform's calendar page, and it will also be displayed on the Invited Guests MISC panel in the Contacts Edit or Details page. Notifications via email will be sent to let the guests know that they are invited, the date and time of the recurring meeting, and the Join button, which will redirect them to the automatically created online meeting room. When the meeting is accepted, it will appear in the guest's Google Calendar as well. If you need to edit any particular meeting, for instance if you want to invite an additional person or if one falls on a holiday, select that meeting on the list view or on the calendar and select Edit or Delete. When saving, you will be guided through the options available to affect only that meeting, all meetings following that meeting, or all meetings. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you'd like to see more tutorials like this one, please check out our related videos in the Help menu. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.